Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I am reviewing this SXC 60 gel liner color kit, and it is named Colorverse. There is 60 colors here, and it did come with instructions on how to prep the nail, how long to cure the nails, and all that good stuff there in that manual. And they also have a discount code for you to try out. So yes, this was a lot of gel liners here. It had every single color, and I'm not gonna swatch all of them just because that would just take way too long, and there's about 60 colors in here. However, I did want to show you guys this white gel liner. I did show you a couple, so this white gel liner here and this blue color. I thought this color was kind of cute. For today's nail set, these are the three colors that I will be using. For the orange marble, I will also be including a yellow gel polish color, just as though the gel liner that they had that was yellow, it was just too muted for me and it wasn't as vibrant as I wanted it. So I am going to be using that yellow from Beetles. And right now I am pushing back my cuticles just a bit, as I haven't worked on my non-dominant hand in quite a while. Next, I will be taking my sanding band and I am just removing shine from my nails, and I believe I did have a pop offset on this hand as well, so I am just kind of removing some of that nail glue that's there. I am creating a peel off base coat today. I will be applying a couple drops of cuticle oil on my nail. This is just so that I'm able to pop off my set right after I'm done with these nails. If you do want your nails to stay on for like longevity, you will apply primer and dehydrator right after removing shine from your nails. I am then going to follow that up with some top coat. I am going to cure that in the lamp for about 30 seconds once I'm done applying. Next, I am going to adhere my nail tips with some base coat. I did do it off camera. It is a little bit hard for me to angle the camera properly or stay in frame when I am trying to adhere the nail tips with my non-dominant hand. So that's why I just didn't show that. I'm also going to blend the tip with the natural nail with my sanding band as well. Right after I'm done with that, I am going to apply some base coat on the entire nail, and I am going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So for the marble portion of the nail set, I am going to be using blooming gel. If you do not have blooming gel on hand, you can use base coat. I am applying a very thin layer of blooming gel, as this can flood pretty easily and it does spread a lot. A little really goes a long way. I'm going to be using these 3 gel colors here, an orange, a red, and a blood orange, along with that yellow color as well. I am kind of just randomly placing the gel polish on the nail. You don't really have to be too specific about it. You're just going to place a whole bunch of colors on the nail, and then we are going to marble it. I did allow that to set for a little bit before I cured it in the lamp. I did cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I did apply some base coat on top of it just to protect it when I do go in with the polygel application. For today's polygel, I am using this nude color from a cart in the color Daydream. I am going to place a bead right at the cuticle, and I will begin blending that down just to create that ombre effect. Once I was done with the ombre, I am going to encapsulate with clear. This is just to protect the ombre when we do begin filing. And we also used gel as our first color of the ombre, so we do need to build some structure to the nail. Once I was done filing, I am going to apply some top coat on all of the nails, and I did add some rhinestones just for a little accent. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for about 60 seconds. So here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I actually do really love this orange nail set. I have everything that I used linked in the description box. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.